And that is something she never told us. So that is something that the family shared with me. And her mommy said to me, you know, dear, when Witbooi had the police vehicle at home, either me or her father will open the garage when she goes to work, and when she comes home, one of us will open the garage again. And that is something that I saw, that the families is involved in our work because they didn't go to sleep until she was home. From the Kraaifontein police station side, we need to thank the senior management that was there for us. And then I need to share the college of Marissa and Elsie's River Police Station has been excellent. As well as Brigadier Beaton and his team helping us every time because they stay in this area. And I want to say to every member here today that we are special. It takes special people to continue working and serving the community. Even the same day we lost Witbooi, we didn't stop. The team worked non-stop. The boys never rested until we caught both of them. So both of them that is responsible for the murder on our Constable Witbooi was caught. And because of us, that we are so special that we didn't stop. Thank you.